friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Jamaican beef patties in the air fryer. So what we need is a frozen Jamaican beef patties, no need to defrost. The air fryer will cook it straight from frozen. Let's open a package of Jamaican beef patties. So this package has two, and I can cook them two at a time, or you can cook one if you'd like. It doesn't really matter. The cooking time remains the same. So I'm going to take out the air fryer basket and then put Jamaican beef patties in the air fryer. So take them out of this packaging. And now I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And let's set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's set the time to 15 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the beef patties. Look at them, so nicely golden brown with a flaky dough. Looks so good. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Jamaican beef patties cooked straight from frozen. Now let me just cut one so you can see what's inside. So crispy, flaky dough. And the inside is perfectly cooked. Looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. This is delicious. So nice and spicy. This is perfect. When it's cooked in the air fryer, the outside is so crispy and the inside is juicy and moist. So easy, you'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for easy air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!